When the sun comes, you're my shade.
In this presentation, I'm going to explore how society can use renewable energy to create a sustainable development. Climate change has lately become the most pressing issue we face. Our energy use increases constantly. Today we are using much energy, mostly on heating houses and lighting. The world relies heavily on coal, gas and oil to get the energy which are needed. The increasing content of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases from fossil fuel threatens the natural climate. Scientists are afraid of increasing temperatures and more extreme weather. Our next generation's future is at stake. Therefore, we have to do something. A sustainable development is a key word here. A sustainable development became a key word when the World Commission on Environment and Development met in 1987. A sustainable development became defined as meeting the needs of today's population without harming the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. In other words, we have to work globally to present an Earth which is as good as it were when we got it from our forefathers. To create a sustainable development, we have to find alternative energy sources. Renewable energy sources such as wind, sun and waves are sustainable. This might be our future, but the international community must do even better to create a sustainable planet. Renewable energy are resources which come from the nature and that is replaced rapidly by natural processes. The most known are energy from water, sun and wind. Now, I'm going to give you a quick introduction of 3 examples of renewable energy. Man has harnessed the energy in wind for thousands of years, both for sailing boats and powering windmills at land. Of all renewable energy sources, wind power is the most mature in terms of commercial development. The development costs have decreased dramatically in recent years. However, most projects are still dependent on public subsidies in order to be profitable. Sunlight or solar energy can be used in several ways. First of all, it can be used directly to heat and light houses and other buildings. In addition, it can be used to generate electricity. A solar panel has to be placed where the sun shines often. Common for solar energy and wind energy are that they are renewable and therefore eco-friendly. The European Union and many national authorities have decided to focus on readjustment toward more environmentally friendly energy production and consumption. There are several countries which are going for renewable energy. Brazil is one of many countries which are going for renewable energy. According to data from the energy research company, 90% of the electrical energy generated in Brazil in 2009 came from renewable sources, primarily water, biomass and wind. There are 36 wind parks in the country, giving the Brazilian people a lot of energy. Some places are pleased to have a lot of sun. If just 1% of the Saharan desert were covered in concentrating solar panels, it would be enough energy to power the entire world. That's a powerful number. The European Union have decided to jump on their proximity to the Sahara in order to reap some benefits from the untapped solar energy beaming down on the northern Africa. However, the cost of transportation of this energy is huge. The most important part of a sustainable development is cooperation. Huge companies have to find out how they can be a part of a greener future. In addition, countries must be a part of this. Building, for example, windmills and solar panels is a part of a sustainable development.
When the sun comes